The Refugee and Asylum Seekers Youth Group came on the back of when these young people come into Newport and come to the area, they're assigned things under safeguarding like a social worker. That's where youth work came in really to complement that, where we offer an informal, formal setting for them to feel safe, for them to come and be the young people they are and not some of the adult things that they've been involved in. But we definitely could not have done it alone, and the partnership working has been what's made this project very special.
Most of our young people are asylum seekers. They are young people as well. A lot of them have come to the UK on their own. They've gone through trauma. They've gone through serious, the experience sometimes are horrific. So having that partnership at the onset enabled us to be able to refer to them and get young people engaged earlier on.
The sessions are participative, that they're educative, so we do stuff where they're learning.
The football sessions help us help people to learn more English and to communicate more.
I actually feel quite proud just because I've got to meet some people who, if I didn't do this, then I would never have done it, and listening to other people's stories and their lives